Hey everyone, pause. Ready to dive into the latest gadget that's buzzing in the tech world? Yes, we're talking about the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's unwrap this beauty and see what Apple has in store for us this time. First things first, if you're as excited about tech as I am, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and smash that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Alright, let's get into it. The iPhone 13 Pro Max, folks. What's new? Well, for starters, the design is sleek as always, but with a few tweaks that make it even more eye-catching. The new colors? Absolutely stunning. You've got to see them to believe them. Now let's talk camera. Apple has really upped their game here. The new triple camera system with sensor shift stabilization, it's like having a professional camera right in your pocket. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just love snapping pics for Instagram, this is a game changer. And how about that battery life? Apple claims it lasts even longer than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. That means more time for videos, music, and yes, endless scrolling. Who isn't looking for more battery life, right? But hey, don't just take my word for it. If you want to keep up with all things tech and get more in-depth reviews, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. You know the drill. Like and share this video too. Performance-wise, the new A15 Bionic chip is a beast. Faster than ever, handling all the apps and games you love without breaking a sweat. Plus, with 5G capability, you're looking at super fast downloads and streaming, say goodbye to buffering, and hello to instant everything. Before we wrap up, let's not forget about the iOS 15 that comes with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's packed with new features that are all about making your life easier. The focus mode, for instance, is perfect for those moments when you need to, well, focus without distractions. How cool is that? So, what do you guys think? Is the iPhone 13 Pro Max worth the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you found this overview helpful, give us a like, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep those notifications on, there's a lot more coming your way. Pause 2. 5S. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Now that we've unveiled the iPhone 13 Pro Max and its impressive features, it's time to address the million-dollar question. Is it worth upgrading from the iPhone 12 Pro Max to the iPhone 13 Pro Max? Let's break it down. First up, the design. While both models sport a sleek and modern look, the iPhone 13 Pro Max brings a few subtle yet significant improvements. The new colors are more vibrant, and the smaller notch gives you a bit more screen real estate for your viewing pleasure. But is that enough to make you switch? Let's see. Now, let's talk about the camera systems. The iPhone 12 Pro Max already has a fantastic camera, but the iPhone 13 Pro Max takes it up a notch, literally. With sensor shift stabilization and improved low-light performance, your photos and videos will look more professional, even in challenging conditions. If you're a photography buff, this might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Battery life is another critical factor. The iPhone 13 Pro Max promises longer battery life compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. More hours of usage mean less time tethered to a charger. For those constantly on the go, this could be a game changer. Let's not forget the brains behind the beauty. The A15 Bionic chip in the iPhone 13 Pro Max is faster and more efficient than the A14 in the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, the performance boost is noticeable. But if your iPhone 12 Pro Max is still running smoothly, do you really need that extra speed? And then there's iOS 15, which both devices can run. However, some features might be optimized better on the newer hardware. The focus mode, enhanced FaceTime, and new widgets are just a few of the goodies you'll enjoy. So, should you upgrade? If you're someone who loves having the latest and greatest, the iPhone 13 Pro Max won't disappoint. However, if your iPhone 12 Pro Max is still serving you well, you might want to hold off until the next big leap. What are your thoughts? Are you planning to upgrade, or are you sticking with your current device? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this comparison, give us a thumbs up, share it with your tech-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tuned and keep those notifications on for more exciting tech content. Pause 2S. Welcome back, Tech Explorers! Before you make your final decision on whether to upgrade to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, let's dive into some hidden features that you might not know about. These are the little gems that can make a big difference in your day-to-day experience. Pause 1S. First up, let's talk about the new photographic styles. Unlike simple filters, These styles intelligently adjust the color and tone of your photos while preserving skin tones. If you love customizing your photos, this feature is a game changer. Pause 1S. Next, we have the improved Face ID. With the smaller notch, Face ID is now faster and more accurate, even in low light conditions. This might seem minor, but for those who rely on Face ID for unlocking, payments, and more, it's a welcome improvement. Pause 1S. Another cool feature is the redesigned Siri and its offline capabilities. With the A15 Bionic chip, Siri can now process certain requests without needing an internet connection. This means faster responses and increased privacy for tasks like setting timers, launching apps, and controlling music. Pause 1S. Let's not forget the new cinematic mode for video recording. This feature allows you to create professional quality videos with depth effects and automatic focus changes. It's like having a mini film studio in your pocket, perfect for content creators and vloggers. Pause 1S. And here's a fun one, the new MagSafe accessories. From wallets to battery packs, the iPhone 13 Pro Max's improved MagSafe technology offers a stronger magnetic connection, giving you more options to customize and enhance your phone. Pause 1S. Lastly, the improved durability. The iPhone 13 Pro Max features a ceramic shield front cover, which is tougher than any smartphone glass. Plus, it's more resistant to spills and splashes, making it a more robust companion for your adventures. Pause 1S. So, there you have it. These hidden features might just tip the scales in favor of upgrading. What do you think? Do these features make the iPhone 13 Pro Max more appealing to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Pause 1S. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring. Pause 2S. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Now that we've explored the hidden features of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, let's dive into some fun facts about this incredible device that you might not know. These tidbits will not only amaze you, but also might make you appreciate your iPhone 13 Pro Max even more. Pause 1S. Did you know that the iPhone 13 Pro Max's ceramic shield front cover is made using nano-ceramic crystals? This innovation makes it tougher than any smartphone glass, providing superior durability and resistance to drops and scratches. It's like having a tiny suit of armor for your screen. Pause 1S. Here's another interesting fact. The iPhone 13 Pro Max's A15 Bionic chip is not just powerful, it's also incredibly energy efficient. This chip allows the iPhone 13 Pro Max to deliver impressive performance while conserving battery life, giving you more time to enjoy your favorite apps and games. Pause 1S. And get this, the iPhone 13 Pro Max supports up to 1 terabyte of storage. That's right, you can carry around a whole terabyte of photos, videos, and apps in your pocket. Whether you're a content creator or just someone who loves to capture memories, this massive storage option has got you covered. Pause 1S. Ever wondered why the iPhone 13 Pro Max has such vibrant colors? It's all thanks to the Super Retina XDR display. This advanced screen technology provides higher brightness, deeper blacks, and a wider color gamut, making everything you view more vivid and lifelike. Pause 1S. For the environmentally conscious, you'll be happy to know that Apple has made significant strides in sustainability with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The device uses 100% recycled rare earth elements in the magnets and 100% recycled tin in the solder of the main logic board. Plus, the packaging is made from 100% recycled wood fiber. Pause 1S. Lastly, did you know that the iPhone 13 Pro Max's night mode can now be used on all cameras, including the front-facing one? This means you can take stunning low-light selfies and group photos without compromising on quality. Pause 1S. So, there you have it. These fun facts highlight just how innovative and thoughtful the design of the iPhone 13 Pro Max is. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Pause 1S. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of technology. Pause 2S. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Now that we've delved into the fun facts about the iPhone 13 Pro Max, it's time to hear from the real experts, the users themselves. Pause 1S. In this segment, we'll share some genuine reactions and reviews from iPhone 13 Pro Max owners around the world. Pause 1S. Let's kick things off with some rave reviews about the iPhone 13 Pro Max's camera capabilities. Pause 1S. Many users are thrilled with the new cinematic mode, praising its ability to create stunning, professional-looking videos with effortless ease. Pause 1S. One user mentioned, "The cinematic mode is a game changer. I can now shoot movies with my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and the quality is simply mind-blowing." Pause 1S. Another highlight for users is the battery life. Pause 1S. With the A15 Bionic chip's energy efficiency, many have reported longer-lasting battery life, even with heavy usage. Pause 1S. A satisfied customer shared, "I can go an entire day without needing to charge my phone. The battery life on the iPhone 13 Pro Max is fantastic." Pause 1S. The display has also received glowing feedback. Pause 1S. Users love the Super Retina XDR display, noting the vibrant colors and incredible brightness. Pause 1S. One review stated, "Watching videos and playing games on the iPhone 13 Pro Max is an absolute delight. The screen is so vivid and clear." Pause 1S. Let's not forget about the build quality. Pause 1S. The ceramic shield front cover has impressed many with its durability. Pause 1S. A user commented, "I've dropped my phone a couple of times and it's still in perfect condition. The ceramic shield is a lifesaver." Pause 1S. And for those who value sustainability, the eco-friendly materials used in the iPhone 13 Pro Max have been a major plus. Pause 1S. One environmentally conscious user said, "I love that Apple is taking steps to be more sustainable. Knowing my phone is made from recycled materials makes me feel good about my purchase." Pause 1S. So there you have it, the iPhone 13 Pro Max has garnered praise for its camera, battery life, display, durability, and sustainability. Pause 1S. Have you tried the iPhone 13 Pro Max yet? If so, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Pause 1S. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of technology.